Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're going to be talking about strategies. And this is a particular strategy that we use when we're beginning to spell words or just sounding out words. Let me explain. This is called an Elkonin box. Now I know there are boxes, but altogether it's a box. And what we do with this, and you might see in your classroom sometimes, or on papers like worksheets you might do, things like that, that this is on here to help us represent sounds in words. Let me show you. So if I say a word like sit, if you tell your dog to sit down, or if you need to sit in your chair, sometimes we get confused because we hear all the sounds together in the word. But if we want to be able to spell it or know how to spell the word or write the word, we need to listen closely to the sounds individually. So if I say sit, how do I start? Sit. S. The first sound is S for sit. Okay, so I have sit. S. Eh. Eh, eh, eh. S. Eh. I can use each of these, and these are just dots that I'm using. If you have this at home, or maybe you have a board that looks like this, and it has the boxes at the top, you can use little counters or something, buttons to slide in there. But it's just something to help us do it one sound at a time. So if I wanted you to spell the word sit, you can use something like this to go s. And it helps us slow down the word, and it helps us figure out what letter one at a time it is. Now, sometimes when we do this, we won't necessarily hear the way it's exactly spelled, but we will hear the way that it sounds. So if I say go, g, oh, I could spell it g, g, g. G, oh. Now, some people might go g, ah, ga, but that's not how it is. But we're not focused on those types. We're focused more on the sounds, okay? So g, oh. Let me try one that is not spelled right, but we can say, okay? So if I say hey, a. Now if I spell it H, and then an A, it would spell the word ha, like when we say ha ha ha. That's what it spells, but it's actually spelled H-A-Y, but the A and the Y together make one sound. It says A. It makes a long A sound. But what we're really doing with this, we're not necessarily using it to spell, although we can. We're using it mostly to hear the sound. So if you got a question on a test that said something like, what is the middle vowel sound you hear in dig? Well, we don't want to find all the sounds. We want to find the middle vowel sound, or the middle sound you hear. And let's look for the middle, okay? So dig. D, E, G. Okay, but we want to find just the middle, right? So let's do it again, but we'll stop in the middle. D, E. What says E? Ah, you're right. Duh, it. So it helps us find the sound. What if I said, what is the last sound you hear in nap? What is the last sound you hear in nap? Let's give it a try. A, P. You're right. So this box, this Elkonin box, can you say Elkonin? Elkonin box. Good. This Elkonin box can help us when we're trying to find sounds, okay? And in the next video, I'm going to show you another strategy like this that will help us identify sounds. But that's all I have for now. So until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone. Hey, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like these videos, check out some of the other videos that I have. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.